Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can hide your Facebook profile from search engines. Please subscribe to the channel. Write your comments, give me your likes. Let's get started. First, we're gonna open up the Facebook app. Then on the home page at the bottom, in the right-hand corner, we click on the menu. And then in the top right corner, we click on the gear in order to go into the settings. Here we need to scroll down a little bit, down to a section called Audience and Visibility. Here in this section, we find the third item, how people can find and contact you. Click on that. And down here at the very bottom, we see a line like this, and it asks us, if we want Facebook to show our profile in search engines outside of Facebook. So, for example, if someone types your name into Google, for example, they can find you on Facebook. If you don't want people in any search engine to be able to find you, then you need to disable this feature. But keep in mind that disabling and customizing this feature will take some time. And also people will still be able to find you on Facebook itself. If they're on Facebook, they'll click on the search bar and try to search for your name here. They'll find you. But they can't do it through the search engines. This is how you can hide your Facebook profile from search engines. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel. See you later.